Jamaica, watch this.
Livestock sheep I grow around here. So right now when I sheep them, and the fire right now, cooking. You ever eat sheep meat? Well, the place, what the runner's name again, Maddie? Oh, Bunkers Hill. Alright, we'll grow sheep, boy. Yo, Steve, the man that cook sheep over here, sir, brother. Go over there, brother. Go over there, brother.
We're going.
We need that from video.
Yeah. We're gonna try the sheep.
Yes, my daddy.
Yeah, sheep. Wait.
I have no sheep. Come.
Let me see them.
I sheep me this.
It's ready already? So we fought the for sample.
Give me a fork. Give me a fork, sister.
You know that, baby?
Yeah.
So give me my plate now. So that plate is a plate. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck up some of this some bread.
Don't be sheepish.
Don't be sheep.
Don't be sheepish. It's a sheep.
Wow, fuck.
You don't need nothing else.
You want a bread, man? Yeah, and the bread, more. Where bread there? Connect.
Yeah, that one need.
I see it, brother.
Hey, the sheep mad. Sheep mad. Sheep.
All sheep go.
Bah.
Every man I eat sheep and I know the sheep go. What is?